I was gonna go for the lemon, but I think you got to go for the.
Ooh, I would do like half and half. Most chippies in London, they're just gonna drown it in vinegar and salt. Just bam.
Yeah. Oh, you're not messing around.
No, okay, just go in.
You want it to be vinegary enough that you kind of cough as you bite into it.
All right, and do you just go right?
I'm gonna grab the
take
vinegar.
it right in.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, it's hot too.
Yeah, you're going in with your hands, which without the paper around it is gold. But I'm not.
Okay.
So you go knife and fork, or people are gonna laugh.
Oh wow, it's hot. Oh my god, how did you do that?